This Brightline construction update provides a look at the Turkey Creek Bridge. Turkey Creek is located in Palm Bay, Florida. Turkey Creek is the smallest bridge still under construction, being around 180 feet long. It is a little farther behind compared to the rest of the bridges, with pile driving still ongoing. Work had been focused for several months on removing the old bridge piers here, which were a different design from the other bridges and required more work to remove. Work is currently going on for the pilings for the northern end bend. The pilings for the two piers are complete, and work is ongoing for their bend caps. Here's a straight down look at the bridge. This bridge is different in design from the other bridges in that it is made up of two spans with concrete girders and a single steel span in the middle. The pile driver is currently being held by the crane, and I had just missed it being in action by a few minutes. One of the next pilings is currently laying on the temporary work trestle. Here are a few of the trunks from the old piers. Some land clearing has also been going on alongside the right-of-way. The steel span provides slightly more clearance for boats to pass underneath. The overall clearance on Turkey Creek is set by the US 1 bridge to the east. Being a smaller bridge, work here should wrap up quickly once all of the pilings are in place. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.